Hey, it's Marcus again with MachMotion. Today I have our wireless pendants that you can connect to any one of our 2000 series controls. It's super easy. It just takes a few clicks to set one of these up. And these are really handy. There's multiple different functions on here. You can manually jog your machine. So in this case, I'm manually controlling Z and Y. I can even control the speed, like that. There's cycle start, feed hold, cycle stop, several different programmable buttons so you can customize it. You can control your feed rate as well. And also you can do a manual tool change. So if I just reach underneath here, pull out your tool and then put it back. Just like that. It's that easy. If you like that content, please like and share and smash that subscribe button. We'll see you the next time.